Hey guys, happy Monday. I have another favorite bird I'm going to share with you that I just did. This is a female Natal woodpecker. I love woodpeckers. The other day I posted a short when I was taking a walk with Eddie. I looked up at the power pole and there was a family. Woodpeckers start having their babies spring and early summer. And there was a family of woodpeckers up in this pole. And I just love woodpeckers. And so I thought, I'm going to go home and paint woodpeckers. And I wanted to go for the ones that are popular here on the central coast of California where I live. And this is a Nuttall, N-U-T-T-A-L. This is the female. The female has a black head and the male has a spot of red. So I'm going to paint a male next. But I wanted to honor the female. Isn't she pretty? They are so cute, you guys. They love suet. And I've got some suet out on my front area. Let me see if I can play something for you. Listen. This is the sound that they make. And all in my front walk, when I walk out, my tree is loaded. They love oak trees. Oh my gosh, I just love them. So, let me see if I can give you anything else. California's oak woodlands, the small black and white striped Natal, and they are white, or black with white. You know, I did a thing for you guys on zebras. Zebras are actually white with black stripes. Okay. They hitch up in branches and twigs of oaks, willows, and cottonwoods, sometimes perch crosswise on a twig, much like a sparrow might do. And they're just, I don't know, there's just something about them. They're darling. And another thing about them that's touches my heart is they fly really low and they tend to get hit by cars because they will fly so low, but they go high up in the trees and make their nests in the trees. And when I saw that little family of woodpeckers up in the pole, it touched me, so I had to come home and paint. So this is my female Natal, and I'm gonna paint a male for you guys next. So stay tuned. Thank you for being here. I hope everybody's doing well. I am. I'm trying to just tune in to the nature around me. And, as I've told you guys, nature is what has saved me and what saves me every day. Because there's nothing like nature. Nature is real. She's honest and she's true. And when you're quiet and you vibrate love and kindness and peacefulness, that's what you're going to get back. And I feel like if we do that, we're going to change our world. Because war has never solved anything. It hasn't, and it still isn't. And with fire, you get fire. With war, you get war. With peace, you get peace and calm. Makes perfect sense, does it not? All right, you guys, thank you for being here again. If you would, like the video, please subscribe, come back and join me. Anymore, I've been posting nature pictures, birds, because it's what floats my boat anymore. And I'd rather you be looking at my artwork and my beautiful nature than anything else. That's what has saved my life. And I try to get out every day with Eddie. We take a walk, pushing myself to walk more and harder and further, meaning, step into my walks. It's one of the simplest and most gratifying workouts you can do. So thanks for being here. I will be back with my male woodpecker, and feel free to, like I said, like the video, subscribe, keep coming back. Look at some of my old videos and you'll see how I got from there to here. It's an evolution. I'm here to tell you of just becoming one with myself, loving myself more and more each day. And nature has been my companion. Nature is beautiful. Nature is like nothing else. I'll talk to you guys again soon. Peace. Bye. Oops, sorry about that.